Hello everyone. Now we will study rectangular coordinate system. The motion is of two types. You are already aware about the rectilinear motion, that is motion of a particle along the straight line. Now we will study curvilinear motion, that is motion along curve in three coordinate system. The first one is rectangular coordinate system, second normal and tangential coordinate system, and third radial coordinate system, or you can say polar coordinate system. First we will see rectangular coordinate system. It's a theory and formula we will see. Suppose a particle, let's say P, is traveling along a curved path, then its position vector is denoted by r bar equal to xi plus yj with respect to time. So here you can see the particle P having coordinates x and y in two dimensions with origin O, and the position vector r bar, where I is along x unit vector along x direction, j unit vector along y direction. So r bar is equal to xi plus yj with respect to time. Derivate this, you will get velocity. So v bar equal to dx by dt upon I plus dy by dt into j, that is vxi plus vyj. So what is vx? Derivative of distance along x direction. So d by dt of x, that is a vx, distance upon time, and vy is equal to dy by dt, and the total velocity equal to under root of v square vx square plus vy square. Okay. Similarly, we will find out the acceleration components. So a bar, that means acceleration in vector form, is equal to dvx by dt into I plus dvy by dt into j, that is vx into I plus vy into j. So here you can see ax is dvx by dt and ay is equal to dvy by dt. So a bar equal to axi plus ayj. So a equal to under root of ax square plus ay square. And if we want to find out direction with respect to x, so for velocity components it is tan alpha equal to vy upon vx. So you can find out alpha from this, which is equal to tan inverse of vy by vx. Similarly, for acceleration components, tan beta equal to ay upon ax. So beta equal to tan inverse of ay by ax with respect to x. That directions mean nothing but an angle. Now we will quickly revise formula for rectangular coordinate system for curvilinear motion. So these are equations of position, velocity and acceleration in vector form. So r bar equal to xi plus yj, v bar equal to vx plus I plus vyj, and a bar equal to axi plus ayj. Okay. And when we want to find out the magnitude of position, velocity and acceleration, we have to use this r equal to under root of x square plus y square, where x and y are the functions of time, and v equal to under root of vx square plus vy square. So vx and vy are the velocity components, which are respectively dx by dt and dy by dt, and acceleration equal to ax square plus ay square in under root, where ax and ay are the acceleration components, which means dvx by dt and dvy by dt respectively. Then the direction, that is angle with respect to x-axis, tan of theta equal to y by x, tan of alpha equal to vy upon vx, tan of beta equal to ay upon ax. Now in the next lecture we will study it's a problem.